Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD and many more. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. But today in this video, I'll be sharing 5 Canadian stocks that you need to invest right now, and I'm also very much bullish in these stocks. Okay, so the first stock is Lightspeed POS. So it might be one of the most expensive stock on the TSX, but it is also one of the most companies that many people are bullish on. Lightspeed POS is trading at a price to sales ratio of 60. Shares are trading today at around 70 $80. Okay, so investors are willing to pay such a premium because the growth potential is very good. Lightspeed has created a one-stop shop cloud-based platform for small to medium-sized businesses. The robust platform supports customers across their entire business. Shares are up 400% since its IPO just about 2 years ago. If you're willing to take on the expected volatility, this Canadian stock has multi-bagger potential written all over it. The second stock is Brookfield Renewable Partners. So it is no secret that the whole world is bullish on renewable energy sector, and it was also the one of the top performing sectors in 2020, and I am also quite confident that this sector will rule the chart in the coming decade. Brookfield Renewable Partners is one of the top green energy stock on the market. The company does it all. It provides its customers across the globe with a wide range of renewable energy sources. It owns a dividend yield of close to 3%, not to mention that it has also crushed the market's return over the past 5 years. If you're looking for just one green energy stock to own, Brookfield Renewable Partners should be your pick, and it should be in your portfolio. With market beating growth out of the way, my next three picks will help you or and your portfolio with some stability and also passive income. So the next stock is TD, Toronto Dominion Bank. Okay, in my videos I always mention about TD that it is one of the best stock and it should be in your portfolio if you are looking for an asset for yourself and for your family, because this is not a stock, this is an asset. Okay, and the major banks are some of the most dependable Canadian stocks to own. We all know it. They may not be market driven, beating gains year on yearly basis, but they are good, and and you should pick the shares of one of the big five. Okay, TD or Toronto Dominion Bank yields a dividend that's above 4% at today's stock price. In addition to that, it's been able to maintain an annualized dividend growth rate of 10% over the past 25 years. The fourth stock is Fortis. All market beating portfolios need to have some level of defensiveness to them. Yes, we all look for some defensiveness. Okay, we do not want to go volatile all the time. To help withstand inevitable market crashes, investors can count on their defensive stocks to balance out potential losses from their growth stocks. Of all the things Canadians spend their money on, their utility bill is one of the most important. When times get tough and cost needs to be cut, the utility bill is not typically the first to go. That's the exact reason why Fortis is such a dependable Canadian stock. The utility provider has a much more predictable revenue stream than most companies. This defensive stock may trail the market even during the strongest bull runs, but when the market goes through a downturn, you will be glad to own shares of this company. So Fortis is one of the stock that should be in your portfolio to balance out the what to say volatility of the market. Okay, so the last stock is Sun Life Financial. So just like TD and Fortis, Sun Life Financial has not been lighting the world on fire with its growth over the past 5 years. Even so, at a gain of 50% since early 2016, the insurance provider has outperformed the Canadian market. What has me bullish on Sun Life Financial is the combination of the company's valuation and its growth strategy. Shares are trading today at a favorable forward price to earning ratio of 10. Okay, so if we look at the whole picture, it's a very good share to invest your money right now. So these are the 5 stocks that I have picked, and you can invest your money right away. Hopefully you have liked the video, and if you have found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. God bless you. And do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.